Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to appear offline on Instagram. Instagram is a popular social media app that has become a household name among the Gen Z. While it is a fun platform to stay connected with friends and family, sometimes you might not want to be seen online by everyone. There might be various reasons for wanting to appear offline on Instagram, such as taking a break from the app, wanting to be invisible to some followers, or simply not wanting to receive notifications. Whatever the reasons, appearing offline on Instagram is not hard, and in this guide, I will show you how to do it. The first method, turning off activity status on Instagram. The first step in appearing offline on Instagram is to turn off your activity status. When your activity status is turned on, your followers can see when you were last active on the app. To turn it off, first, open Instagram and go to your profile. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Then, toggle off the switch for Show Activity Status. By turning off your activity status, your followers will no longer be able to see when you were last active on the app. This way, you can appear offline even when you are using the app. The second option, logging out of Instagram. The next step in appearing offline on Instagram is to log out of the app. When you log out of Instagram, you will not receive any notifications or messages, and your followers will not be able to see when you were last active on the app. To log out of Instagram, first open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then scroll down and tap on Log Out. Confirm that you want to log out by tapping on Log Out again. By logging out of Instagram, you will appear offline to your followers and they will not be able to see when you were last active on the app. Then, the last option, using airplane mode. Another way to appear offline on Instagram is to use airplane mode. Airplane mode is a feature that turns off all wireless connectivity on your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth. When your device is in airplane mode, you will not be able to receive notifications or messages, and your followers will not be able to see when you were last active on the app. To use airplane mode to appear offline on Instagram, first, open your device's settings, tap on airplane mode, then toggle on the switch or up for airplane mode. By using airplane mode to appear offline on Instagram, you will not receive any notifications or messages, and your followers will not be able to see when you're last active on the app. Appearing offline on Instagram is a simple process that can be accomplished through several ways. Whether it's turning off your activity status, logging out of the app, or using airplane mode. These steps will help you stay hidden and avoid being seen by others while still using the app. Remember, taking a break from social media can be beneficial for your mental health, and appearing offline on Instagram is just one way to do so. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!